And after a fairly even first couple of quarters, the second half could turn out to be a great one as both teams try to gain an edge. Philadelphia leading by 3. And so in the game for the 76ers, they've got Iverson. He's out there with Jerry Stackhouse. And it's Williams at the pivot spot manning the middle.
That's going to draw a whistle every time down the floor. Not even close to being a legal screen.
And he knows it, too. He tried to get away with it. Sometimes you do. That time he didn't.
Here's Marbury. There's the pass to Gugliotta. Doubled by Iverson. Pass to Gugliotta. Up and in on the layup. Gugliotta's got 20.
And guys, the D has to show a little more fight on the interior than they did on that trip.
Now Stackhouse passes it to Iverson. The three ball drills the three-pointer. Iverson's got 14 points.
And it's encouraging seeing Iverson just bury the three ball. When he's got that shot going, he is basically unguarded.
And foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance at the line. You know, winning that championship as you did, Greg, for UNLV, many people don't remember you played much of that season with a broken jaw.
Well, Kevin, I don't remember much of it, to be honest with you. It was pretty hazy. I lost 19 pounds over the course of the season.
Oh, my goodness.
Championship night, I was 168 pounds.
No kidding.
Yeah. Well, I was wired shut for 8 weeks. Did miss a game, but I tell you what, I don't know if I would do that today. But, you know, it did turn out well with the championship.
As I recall, you broke it against Fresno State, correct?
Yes, yeah. Got my legs taken out from under me and broke the fall with my face. Yeah.
Oh, ouch. Philadelphia's gone 1 of 2 from beyond the arc since coming out of the break. And he lobs it up toward the rim. No good from Stackhouse.
Yeah, and that was lining up to be a huge alley-oop, but they just couldn't quite connect.
Oh, I'm always surprised when it doesn't happen. I'm sure these two will have a good laugh about it later.
Here's Garnett. Lands soft on the front of the rim and drops. He's got 10.
The assist totals, Kevin, just continue to grow. They're way ahead in that category. Ball movement has been flawless.
Here's Stackhouse. 13 points in the game. Here's Iverson. That one goes in. And the 76ers lead by 1. 7 lead changes now, and we're just in the third quarter.
Yeah, frustrating for a coach, but it's great to watch as a fan.
Marbury passes to Garnett. And play stops. Whistle on what looks to be an illegal screen.
When a pick like that is questionable and creates that much of an advantage for the offense, you have to blow the whistle.
Yeah, you can't blame the ref for making that call at all. The defense in general is already at such a disadvantage as it is.
Now here's Iverson. He's got 16. Good work there as it goes. And now a 3-point Philadelphia lead.
Great job of screening there. Nice job to take it to the rim and get the finish.
Marbury passes to Gugliotta. 11 feet away, and again it's Minnesota converting.
It hasn't taken them any time to find their rhythm in the second half. 4 for 4 from the field already.
Here's Stackhouse. Iverson left side. Lays it up off the glass.
And there's been a drop-off in their defense since halftime. I mean, they don't nearly have the same energy they did in the first half.
Pass to Gugliotta. The Timberwolves working the ball around now. Here's Garrett, and he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up. And that one misses. Mitchell, he's checked in for the Timberwolves. He hits the second from the line. For Philadelphia, they've gone 4 of 6 from the field since the start of the third. Out to the wing. Outside Williams. The pass to Weatherspoon. Just 4 to shoot. Here's Williams. That's tipped. And they force the shot clock violation. Great D.
That's an unforced error that will drive a coach crazy. Got to play heads up out there.
Davis is checked in for the 76ers. Here's Marbury. Iverson covering. And no good, but he tries to maintain control. He was fouled, and he'll shoot 2 at the line. This will make 5 trips now to the free throw line for him tonight.
Stephon Marbury at the line for 2.
And the first one drops. That one falls, so he hits both of them. Philadelphia's gone 1 of 2 from beyond the arc since coming out of the break. Pass to Stackhouse. And they call the foul, so a chance at the line for one more coming up.
He's so aggressive at that end of the floor, and that's a quality all great scorers have.
He's been punishing them at the line in this one, going 7 of 8. Timberwolves trail by 3. Here's Marbury. He's got 19. And there's the whistle. Illegal screen.
When a pick like that is questionable and creates that much of an advantage for the offense, you have to blow the whistle.
Yeah, you can't blame the ref for making that call at all. The defense in general is already at such a disadvantage as it is.
And foul on the shot. He'll shoot 2 at the free throw line.
Clearly a foul.
He's been spending quite a bit of time at the foul line. This is trip number 6. And so he's able to get 1 of 2.
No other way to put it. Just a poor shooting performance for him. But luckily, his teammates have picked up the slack.
They get it again. Garrett. Mitchell in the corner. West outside. 5 on the clock. Mitchell passes to Gugliotta. They get it back. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off.
Good to see a player going all out when the game's this tight.
You know, G.A., he knows what his job is. Patrol the offensive glass.
Second chance opportunity so big in this instance. They have to feel fortunate that they could extend that play.
Here's Stackhouse after the basket by Minnesota. Passes it to Iverson. Minnesota with the rebound. Gugliotta's got the glass covered here tonight. 11 boards for him. To the inside, Stackhouse. That's good. Great play set up by Iverson. Iverson's got his 7th assist in the game. Here's Marbury. Iverson covering. Mitchell left side. It's stolen by Davis. Here we go, 1-on-1. And Iverson gets it to go. And it's a 6-point Philadelphia lead.
Oh, he's got to roll in this quarter, taking it on himself to guide their offense.
West outside. Pass to Marbury. Over Iverson. That one a little long.
The rotation in the D could be better here. It'll cost them next time if it's not.
Here's Stackhouse. There's the dish to Iverson. And he finishes nicely on the layup.
They're getting on a roll inside. Their last 3 field goals have come from the paint.
Timberwolves trail by 8. Gugliotta passes to Marbury. And he goes up strong with one hand and flushes it down.
The finish was nice, but the setup was better.
Yeah, GA, the pick working to full effect before the stuff.
Yeah, coach is definitely pleased. That's the execution he loves to see.
Philadelphia with the ball after the basket by Minnesota. And Davis puts it in.
And they're beginning to just flat out fall apart defensively right now, especially on the interior.
Minnesota calls timeout.
Well, it's been an express lane to the rim. Coach can't be happy about that.
4 rotations. I mean, slow help and just not enough toughness on the interior. They've got a lot to talk about.
Now, here is Robinson. He has 5. These are his 3rd and 4th free throw attempts of the game. The first one falls.
Two shots.
And he can't hit the second. Philadelphia leading by 7. The pass to Walters. Gugliotta grabs the board. Gugliotta's got rebound number 12 here already in the game. Porter got a hand on it, and he's able to get it back. Another shot. Gugliotta's shot is good. Gugliotta's got 4 points now in the quarter.
I love the spirit he's shown tonight, particularly on the offensive end.
And he's gotten to his spots and capitalized. He just needs a little more help from his teammates.
And it's the 76ers with the ball, following the bucket by the Timberwolves.
Oh, just a picture-perfect alley-oop. You gotta love that one, Kevin.
A little surprised, Greg. He didn't go for the big slam, but it works just the same. Now, here is Robinson. He's got 6. Deflects the pass. Here's Gugliotta. That one falls. Gugliotta's got 24 points.
He's been so dependable in this game, taking nothing but good shots.
The 76ers leading. Overton, guarded by Robinson. Pass to Weatherspoon. It's deflected, and that's out of bounds. Philadelphia will retain possession. Shot clock at 6. Floats one. Out of bounds. Minnesota takes possession.
No clue where that pass was going. That is a brutal turnover.
And here is Robinson. Passes it to Porter. Back to Robinson. And the dunk by Robinson.
Just the kind of play they need in a game this close.
You know, that's the kind of aggression they want from their floor leader.
This is why they go to him. When the game is tight, he ups his intensity level.
The 76ers leading by 3. Cage passes to Walters. Over Porter. A rebound by the Timberwolves. And the call on the shot that sends him to the line. This is his 3rd trip to the free throw line in the game. First one falls for him. So after making the first, he goes 1 for 2. Philadelphia's gone 1 of 2 from beyond the arc since coming out of the break. Outside, Davis to the right side. The pass to Walters. Sinks the three-pointer. He's got 6.
And he found the perfect spot behind the arc there. Big gap in the D.
Now, here is Robinson. He's got 8. And it's blocked. They retain possession. Just 5 to shoot. Here's Gugliotta. And that one off the back of the rim and in. Gugliotta's got 26. The 76ers leading by 3. Loads it up for Davis. To the left wing. Here's Weatherspoon. Second chance shot. Just couldn't take the lid off. They had their chances, but came up empty. Oh, and there's the alley-oop. The slam dunk by Robinson.
And how about the incredible timing on that alley-oop?
He absolutely hammered it down. And here are the 76ers now. .139 left to play here in the third. Here's Overton. It's tipped. And here's the fast break. Porter leading the way. Here's Robinson. A miss that time. Would have put him up. Philadelphia has gone 2 of 3 when they ventured outside the arc in the third quarter. And the Timberwolves making a change here. Garnett's checked in. Allen Iverson is checked in for Philadelphia. Rebound, Minnesota. Garnett's got his 5th rebound in this one. Outside, Robinson. And Robinson throws it down. Neither side has relented a bit in this back-and-forth affair.
And you can sense the energy in the building already as this game is starting to build towards having a terrific finish.
And Philadelphia has possession after the basket by Minnesota. Here's Walters. Nice D from Porter. Minnesota with the ball. They're on a 16-7 run. The feed to Garnett. Over Weatherspoon. And Garnett misses. The 76ers trailing. Now 8 seconds separating the two clocks. On the wing, Iverson. Over Robinson. And it hung on the rim, but wouldn't fall for him. And so it's Porter bringing it up now for the Minnesota Timberwolves. Outside, Robinson. Misses the layup. Will return shortly. Here now a chance to show you our assist of the game, and it's presented as always by State Farm.
Just true artistry right there. I mean, great decision on where to go with the ball, and how about the perfect delivery?
How about the unselfishness? Night in and night out, we see guys trying to force their own agenda. Not that time.
And I know I speak for all of us when I say I can't wait to see what kind of finish awaits us here in the fourth quarter. Our fourth quarter action underway, presented by Gatorade, all fueled up and ready to go. Let's reset the lineups. And so in the game for the Timberwolves, Porter is out there with Robinson. It's Garnett, and it's Gugliotta in at the 4 spot.
They are just killing them on the interior.
Philadelphia with the ball. Iverson outside. Pass to Walters. Wide open look. And dead on that time. Beautiful shot.
And the lack of effort to fight over the screen there makes that an easy shot.
We see this all too often. You have to be willing to put in the work.
Robinson with it. Iverson picks him up. Here's Gugliotta. 2 free throws coming up, and they call the shooting foul. The first free throw is good. The 76ers making a switch here. Stackhouse is checked in.
2 shots.
That one is no good.
Well, I mean, a semi-productive trip to the free throw line, but we'll see whether or not it costs him.
Inside. He nails it, and we're tied up.
And the D not really doing its job there. A little slow to react to the ball getting into the paint.
West passes to Marbury. And the ball's tied up, so we'll have a jump ball. So it's the Timberwolves now. 6 to shoot. Here's West. And Philadelphia grabs the miss. To the paint. 76ers moving the ball around. Iverson against West. Iverson, no good.
And there have been some terrible shot choices here, Kev. That's not a good look at all.
Pass to Gugliotta. Here's Marbury. To the middle. And he takes the fantastic lead pass up strong for the slam.
Fundamentals, guys, using the one-hand slam.
Really makes the basics look pretty exceptional. Iverson with the ball. Pass to Walters. Back to Iverson to take the lead. Garnett grabs the board. Garnett's got 6 rebounds here tonight. Gugliotta passes to Garnett. It's deflected. Now Iverson looking to get back on track here. And 2 free throws coming up, unable to get that one to go with all the contact.
Yeah, easy call.
First free throw is good. And both free throws good for Iverson. And over 2.5 minutes in the books here in the fourth. Now the pass to Marbury. Williams comes with the double team. Here's Garrett. And that'll be 2 free throws coming up. Officials on the call with the foul. That one is on Stackhouse. And he knocks down the first one.
At the line for 2.
Both good from the line that time. 76ers have gone 2 of 4 from the field since we started the final quarter of play. And they double up Iverson. Wide open. The 76ers again can't hit it.
He's got to be disappointed with himself on that one. He has got to knock those down.
Marbury, good. Marbury's got 9 points here in the second half.
The assist is the key to that sequence. I mean, a great look to set him up.
And here are the 76ers now. 4-point game. Has to Stackhouse. Lets a floater go. Offensive rebound. Misses from close range. The Timberwolves have gone 3 of 5 here in the fourth quarter. Pretty good numbers coming out of the break. Marbury passes to West. Here's Garrett. Out to the right wing. 5 to shoot. From beyond the arc. Timberwolves with a fresh shot clock. Garnett left side. Fades back and off the left side of the rim, and it swirls in for him. And the Timberwolves lead by 6. The 76ers shooting in the fourth quarter, not pretty, down around 29%. Iverson passes to Walters. Goes up on the high post. The rebound by Garnett.
Now, that's one of the few times they'll get away with leaving him that wide open.
And he gets the whistle. 2 free throws coming up.
Shooting for Minnesota, Stephon Marbury. 2 shots.
And the first one at the line is good. The 76ers making a switch here. Weatherspoon's checked in. And so he makes both from the line. The 76ers trail by 8. They need a good offensive possession.
Yeah, they've gone a long time without a bucket.
And here is Iverson. Looking to end the run. Rebounded by the Timberwolves. Garrett's got 9 rebounds now tonight. There's the lob to the hoop.
The ball movement on this run has been fantastic and is a big part of why they've been able to get these good looks.
Now here's Iverson. And the 76ers call time here.
Yeah, he needs to tell his guys to just box out with some energy. That's basic basketball. They've been lazy on the backboard and have allowed way too many second chance points.
Okay, well, let's check in with David Aldridge, who's reporting from the sideline.
Well, during the break, I listened in on Doc Rivers talking to the team. He is not pleased, and he told them they have to make a push right now. He said, look, we got to make a move, or I've got to pull the plug. Pretty blunt stuff, Kevin. Back to you.
With the teardrop, the shot, no good. And Minnesota now the other way.
He's been cold, and it's been hurting him. The D, was ready for him. He hasn't been able to solve it.
West outside, out left to the wing. Here's Garnett, and that one clearly a foul. Gets the whistle, and 2 shots coming up.
Shooting for Minnesota, Kevin Garnett, taking 2 shots.
And he makes the first. Both free throws good from Kevin Garnett. Here's Iverson. They're going to have to make a pretty big comeback here.
I think it's be a mistake to let the shot clock get under 10 seconds from here on out.
Here's Weatherspoon. Pass to Stackhouse. 6 on the shot clock. Iverson from out on the wing. He knocks it down. Iverson's got 4 points this quarter. Minnesota leading by 10. Here's Marbury. Garnett with it. Passes it to Gugliotta. Back to Garnett. Can't hit that one. Now the 76ers take it the other way.
4th foul of the game for him. He's starting to get into that danger.
Here's Stackhouse. And the pass to Iverson. Here's Stackhouse. It's rebounded by Kevin Garnett. Garnett's got 8 rebounds in this game.
I'd love to see them impose themselves a little more on the backboard. That's a great way to find confidence. Always a surefire way to get back in the game.
Now Iverson. Pass to Stackhouse. A floater. Rebound, Minnesota.
He's disappeared this quarter. He can't get anything to drop. That's not going to help him get out of the hole.
Here's Marbury. Back to Garnett, and it's slammed in by Garnett.
And how fierce is Garnett down low? I mean, when he's close to the basket, he is aiming to make a statement.
The 76ers trail by 12. They've been looking out of sync offensively.
Yeah, their offense has ground to a standstill. And one step ahead of the defense with that solid screen.
And then, Greg, the monster dunk to finish it off.
Oh, come on, guys. Someone has to rotate over. Defensively, that's just poor communication.
And stolen by Iverson. And now Philadelphia on the break. Puts it up. He hits the back iron and sinks the shot. Iverson's got it back down to a single-digit deficit for the 76ers. Gugliotta passes to Marbury. Inside. Gugliotta's shot is good. Gugliotta's got 9 points now in the quarter.
Well, he's been doing it all night. Why not go back to him?
No, exactly. Give it to the guy with the hot hand as long as you can. Let him try to close this out.
Here's Stackhouse. Over West. And it's wide right. Hits off the rim.
And he's really trying to get them back into it, but the results just have not been there.
Pass to Marbury. West outside. Down low. Garrett, the pass to Marbury. Just 3 to shoot over Iverson. And it's Marbury missing.
Now, look, even if he had other places to go with the ball, that's a good shot. You can't blame him for letting that one fly. Now he's going to be walking a tight line. One more foul, his night is a wrap.
Now Stackhouse. Passes it to Williams. 6 to shoot. Shoots it up. Garnett grabs the board. Garnett's got rebound number 9 now. What an effort here tonight. Here's Marbury. Williams comes with a double team. Here's Iverson. And contact on the shot, so he'll be shooting free throws here.
And hasn't had as many opportunities at the line as he did in that first half.
Good on the second free throw. And the Timberwolves with possession here. Here's Marbury. Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws.
No, I tell you what, he earned his money on that foul.
Shooting for Minnesota, Stephon Marbury.
No good on that one. And he's good on the second. And so here is Philadelphia, trailing by 10. And the 76ers call time here.
And they're picking up a lot of fouls already in the penalty. Not a good sign. They need to focus on moving their feet and maintaining a good defensive position.
And now we present our New Balance player of the game.
And Kevin, it's a no-brainer. He's controlled every aspect of this game, and it's just so fun to see a player perform at a level that's just higher than anyone else out on the floor.
This is as good a game as we've seen him play, and this crowd can't get enough of it. When he explodes like this, it becomes a special atmosphere in here. He lobs up the alley-oop pass, takes the alley-oop pass and dunks it down.
Oh, such a beautiful pass to set that one up.
Yeah, the pass might have been pretty, but the finish was angry. Here's Marbury. Out to the right wing. 1:53 left in the fourth quarter. And foul on the shot, so he'll get a chance at the line. That one is on Stackhouse.
Oh, the officials are all over that one.
Stephon Marbury. 2 shots.
Gets the first, and that will put them up by 9. He hits both from the stripe. The 76ers trail by 10. Stackhouse up top, fended by West. No good from Stackhouse.
He doesn't get the finish, but the D's got to be quicker to rotate and stop him from getting to the rim.
Now here's Garnett. He's guarded closely. And it's blocked. And here is Iverson. And there's the pass to Stackhouse. Over West. And it's sent back by West.
And it looks like just playing the last bit of this one out in what should be a nice win here for the Timberwolves.
They made more foul shots, and that was the difference.
That was a big advantage. The other team was defending with their hands instead of moving their feet, and they handed them a lot of easy points at the line.
Now here's Iverson. Stackhouse dishes to Williams. It's blocked. Garnett outside. Over Weatherspoon. PG. That's good. Garnett's got the lead up to 12 now for Minnesota.
And you can sense that these fans, these players, they are ready to celebrate.
And you know they are, sure. I mean, come on, the finish line is in sight. All they have to do is play it smart.
Here's Marbury, and he jams it with authority.
Saw the opportunity to put this away and did not turn it down.
That's the dagger. You could tell they wanted that one. I know that seals the deal.
Here's Iverson. Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws. The first one falls.
Shooting for Philadelphia, Allen Iverson. 2 shots.
No good on the second, so he hits 1 of 2. Shot, high post, and the miss. So it's Minnesota winning this one easy. Even early on in this one, it seemed like they were happy to be playing at home tonight.
And it makes a big difference. And once they started to really play in rhythm, you never felt like they had any doubts as to whether or not they were going to win.
Well, folks, that's going to do it for now. For Chris Webber, Greg Anthony, and David Aldridge, this is Kevin Harlan saying thanks for watching. See you next time.